How to hide chats on Instagram without deleting them. If you want to keep a conversation out of your main inbox while still saving all your messages, the restrict feature is the easiest way to do it. To get started, open the Instagram app and tap the messages icon in the bottom corner. Next, open the conversation you want to hide. Tap the person's name at the top of the chat to open their profile options. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Restrict. Confirm your choice if prompted. Once the account is restricted, the chat will be removed from your primary inbox and moved to your message requests section. You can still access the conversation anytime by opening your messages, tapping Requests, and then selecting It's hidden. If you want the chat to return to your main inbox, simply open the conversation, tap the person's name, and choose Unrestrict. And that's it. That's how you can hide chats on Instagram without deleting them using the Restrict feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.